You all can see here I got a Discord Nitro badge and I activated my Discord Nitro right now, and here is the video. I will guide you how you can get a Discord Nitro for free. So for that, get straight into the video. And at the start of the video you can see here I don't have any Discord Nitro right now, and now you have to go to your user settings. Then you have to click on Nitro. Now here you can see that the Nitro box and all information around the Nitro, and you can see there are some benefits of the Discord Nitro. You can read here: 500 MB of uploads, custom and unlimited super reactions, HD video quality, and much more. Here are some features in brief, and here you can read the try Nitro for 1 month for free. Now here you have to select yearly or monthly option. I will suggest you to choose monthly option instead of yearly option, and click on next. Here are 4 options: card, PayPal, Google Pay and Apple Pro. I'm selecting a card option here. Now just click on pay now and you will redirect it to the browser. Now for this process you require a credit card. Use a genuine credit card instead of the generated credit cards. They can affect your account. Now here you have to enter the card number, expire date of the card number, and the CVV. Now you have to enter the name on your card, then click on next, and you have to select your country from here, and you have to mention your full address here. I'm entering my address here. The full address is required, and the process is done. The card details and other things are available. Now you have to click on next, and the purchase is completed here. Let me take the screenshots. Now here you can see that the Nitro is activated. Okay, and here you can read the features that we are getting with the Nitro, and from here you can give the Nitro to your favorite ones. Here are more information about the Nitro, and just it, you will get the Nitro for free for 1 month. First of all, go to manage plan in subscription. Here you will see the card number and the subscription details, and here's the other information related to your card and cancellation. So you can cancel from here and confirm to cancel your order, and this process should must follow to avoid the auto pay option.